Umndeni kaThomas Jr. Sithole uthi kukhona okushaya amanzi ngemuva kokutholakala kwesidumbu sendodana yawo emfuleni iVaal namhlanje njengoba kunyamalala kwakhe kwabikwa emva kwamahora ayisihlanu enyamalele kulomfula ngesikhathi esesikebheni nabangani bakhe.
Are hantle as a family bobane ana re qeta ho fihla re bone ngwana a drown mane.
Asiphathekile kahle njengomndeni ngoba ngesikhathi sifika sibone ingane yethu intante emanzini base bemkhipha. Ngibone lapho ukuthi uJunior akasekho. Sifuna izimpendulo kubangani bakhe ukuthi uwele kanjani emanzini. Sifuna izimpendulo ngoba uJunior ubekwazi ukubhukuda.
Ene lo Junior o wetse jwang ka metsi because Junior o tseba ho swima.
Uthi usola isandla semfene kanti ufuna ubulungiswa.
I didn't want to believe that he's in there. I didn't want to believe that my brother is dead. I didn't want to believe that at all. And seeing him and him coming to us, he came to us. They told us a different story to what we're seeing and to what approached us. My brother waited for us. We came here and he came to us. So justice must be served. They must tell us what they did to my brother.
Usithole bekulindeleke ukuba enze umatikuletsheni kulonyaka kanti umndeni uthi ubusalindele lukhulu kuye.
Junior na rata rugby a rola sibona heso. O tla bapala rugby, o tla bapala rugby.
uJunior ubethanda irugby, ethanda ukutshela umzala ukuthi abayidlale. Ubehlezi enomoya phansi ihlale ejabulile. Njengoba engasekho sifuna ubulungiswa njengomndeni. uJunior ubeyingane namaphupho njengazo zonke izingane.
Hloka eze family. Ubani re lemetse moyeng. Junior ke ngwana le ena o nana le ditoro ska bana ba bang.
Kuneyinzolo zokuthi lesikebhe ebeshayelwa nguyise womunye wabangani bakhe siyesama endleleni ukuze kuthengwe uphuzo oludakayo. Amaphoyisa asaphenya mayilana nalesigameko.